midnight storm is rolling in. By the thunder and the wind ain't nothing new. Gonna be the same. These April showers don't change a thing. Cried for you for 20 long years. Damn you, Heather, you still ain't here. You ain't my mother anymore, and I don't feel sorry for you. April showers won't save dead flowers. I've got moving on. April showers won't save dead flowers. I've got moving on.
Where do you want to go? Miles.
That old house is caving in. I won't go back there again. No suffering, I bet you made. These April showers don't change a thing. Left me hungry, you left me cold. Good Lord, Heather, you've got no soul. Goes around, comes back again, and I don't feel sorry for you.
Wasn't this corner
April showers won't save dead flowers. I've got power and I'm moving on. April showers won't save dead flowers. I've got power and I'm moving on, moving on, moving on. I'm moving on.
Here, blubber and gum.
Well, the adventure continues. Here we are in Corrizoso, New Mexico. And it is a gorgeous evening. About 76 degrees. Mountains all around here in New Mexico. And lots of sagebrush everywhere. So, as we drove into Santa Rosa, as we parked the RV, the air conditioner in the dashboard started blowing hot air. So I don't know what to look for inside the engine to see what's going on. So then we rode down here, and it was like pressing 79 degrees down to Corrizoso from Santa Rosa, and it was warm. We could blow a little cool air in through the things. But then we're coming up this bumpy road over here, gravel road, to this RV park, and the air conditioner starts. Cool air starts blowing out. So that means I've got a loose connection or a short somewhere. But not being a mechanic, especially a truck AC mechanic, I don't know how to fix it. So I don't know what I'm going to do, but eventually we'll figure it out. So one thing is that this RV park is up a gravel road, and we got our car covered in dust. It's one thing about New Mexico, the air is fresher and clearer, and there's no humidity in the air. So it makes for glorious sunsets. There's all the hookups, only have 30 amp. So we have to run the refrigerator and the hot water heater on propane. And the little car, maybe on the camera it doesn't look bad, but it is covered in dust. and so's the back of the RV. Impressive adventure news. Car covered in dust. And the RV. And that's such a ton of work to clean all that dirt off there. I'm gonna wait till I get to El Paso. There's black way down there. And that's that lava flow that I did a previous video on, where I fell into the crevasse. These big yucca plants are interesting. Well, we hope to go to White Sands. We hope to go to White Sands National Park and go check that out. It's about an hour south of here, and we hope to go to Cloudcroft or some of those mountain towns. Go up there, check it out. So, the only problem is there's an record heat wave coming up over the United States. And so I only wanted to go to the White Sands if it was in the 70s. And I'll tell you, it's probably going to be in the 80s in the White Sand. And that could be very hot. And you know, as an RVer, I mean, you want adventure, but then again, 70 years old, and I don't mind some peace and quiet either. Work on writing books and making videos, keeping me busy. Camera doesn't really show it, but alright, we're gonna take a drive up in the mountains to Ruidoso. It's supposed to be a nice little town in the mountains. Hopefully it'll be a little cooler because it's getting up in the 80s here. Breaking records today. Anyway, we'll show you a little bit of the drive up in the mountains and if we see anything interesting there.
Turn left toward Ivar Ranch. Take the next left toward Ivar Ranch, then turn right, 7 south. Signs for Ruidoso, Nogal.
That's what I was
Continue on New Mexico 37 south for 14 miles.
You can see it, but there is a herd of wild horses over there. Look at the one rolling around. You see him now? Mm-hmm. Small. Love these aspen. Somebody built all these stairs clear up here. Gotta give them credit. Lookout. Elevation 9,641 feet. This is the second on the spot. This lookout is the second. Constructed in 1940. It's the most unique lookout in the Southwest. See a lot of New Mexico from up here. Can't believe we drove all the way up here. There's Susie in the car. I did a nice job building this thing. Some chairs in there. Cool. Here we are, top of the world. And our RV park is on the other side of this mountain. You can see where the forest fire went through, and all the old trees are kind of falling over now. Oh, there's a car going up the side of that mountain. There's a camera. So you're not allowed to go up there. The hoodoos from the backside. I'm not feeling real ambitious to climb up there though. That's where I just was. And I'm back to my Susie. Did you miss me, Susie?
No.
That couple up there, they're from San Antonio, and they
You can quit filming me.
they want to know where we were from Texas. Look at those pretty trees.